I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best air fryer whole chicken. Hey salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making air fryer whole chicken on a rotisserie. I'm gonna serve this chicken with chips, blanched vegetables, that's gonna have tangerine mustard dressing, and I'm also gonna serve it with a really nice gravy. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with our chicken. If you like a really crispy skin on your chicken, then it's best to cure it with a bit of the salt and then leave it in the fridge for overnight. For the air fried chicken, it's best to leave the skin or it will keep it nice and juicy from inside. Now for the spices, keeping yours simple. Here with the cayenne pepper, Hawaiian sea salt, it has a bit of the parsley mixed in. Coarsely ground black pepper. Here with the garlic granules. And finally some sweet smoked paprika. A really good mix to that. Add a good touch of oil on the chicken and give this a really good massage. Make sure to cover all the front and the back along with the lengths of the wings. And let's season the bird. Spread it from the top and make sure to dab that seasoning as well. Turn the chicken around and season it from this side as well. Make sure to season the chicken from inside as well. Nothing goes to waste here. So once the chicken has been seasoned, I'm just gonna stuff it with some of this lemon and some of this fresh thyme. Using some butcher or kitchen thread, we're gonna tie up the chicken, tucking those legs and the wings. This will ensure an even cooking and nothing will burn. And now let's place the chicken on a rotisserie. First of all, you want to put the bottom skewer inside the thighs. Once you've inserted the fork, make sure it's nice and tight, and the other fork will need to go inside the shoulder. You want to make sure the chicken is placed in the center and perfectly aligned, so it will cook properly from all sides. Now we all know air fryers are a healthy alternative to deep frying as they use less oil, and they are cheaper to run as compared to the traditional ovens. The brand new T31 air fryer oven from Proscenic is perfect for a whole family, offering 15 liters of capacity, which is great for a whole rotisserie chicken or even a pizza. The oven has a beautiful black exterior and comes with a smart LED display, which is simple and convenient to operate. The T31 air fryer has turbo air technology, which increases the cooking efficiency by 30% and locks the moisture inside the food to keep it more juicier. With the 12 preset programs, you can easily cook chicken, chips, vegetables, pieces, and you can always adjust the time and temperature settings to meet your needs. My favorite feature of T31 has to be the smart control, which lets you remotely control it from the Proscenic smartphone app, and it will automatically set the temperature time for a selected recipe, so you really don't have to worry about setting these up. The app also provides over 100 recipes, so you can get started in no time. This air fryer oven also comes with a full set of accessories, including rotisserie kits, skewers, 2 baking trays, so you can basically cook a variety of different foods. Overall, what I love about this air fryer oven is that the air turbo technology makes the food crispier without drying it out. So if you're looking for a robust family air fryer oven at a cheaper price, then check out the Proscenic T31 air fryer collection. Proscenic are currently offering a 25% discount for a limited time, so grab one while you can. I will leave the links down below. Thank you Proscenic for sponsoring this video. Now on the drip tray, I'm just gonna add a touch of water to catch all the juices. I'm gonna carefully place the chicken inside the oven. I'm gonna set the temperature to around 200 Celsius to start with, and we're gonna let this cook for at least an hour until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. It's always best to keep an eye on the chicken. For the chips, peel the potatoes and cut them into 2 to 3 centimeter thick sizes. With the garlic granules, lemon pepper seasoning, red chili flakes, sweet paprika, and a good touch of salt in there. Now mix in a good touch of oil and give this a really good mix. Some of this flour to make them nice and crispy. You could use plain or corn flour for this. A really good mix to that. Now remove the chips onto a baking tray and make sure they are individually placed. Now these are ready to go in a preheated oven at 230 Celsius for around 45 to 50 minutes until nice and crispy. Make sure to turn them halfway so they are properly cooked. For vegetables, we're gonna start by roughly chopping them. Try to keep them in an equal shape so they will cook evenly. And now we're going to blanch our vegetables. First of all, I'm going to heavily salt our boiling water. Now throw in your vegetables. A really good mixture, then and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Blanching your vegetables will maintain that green color and they will still be nutritious. While our vegetables are cooking, get some ice water and add it into this bowl. So it's been around 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna strain them into this ice water so they can stop cooking. Now let it sit there for a few minutes and make sure everything is completely submerged. And then we're gonna drain the excess water. Now there you have your beautiful blanched vegetables. Now if you got kids who don't eat vegetables a lot, this is a perfect way to prepare for them. Now for our dressing, in with the whole grain mustard, in with the yellow or Dijon mustard, pinch of salt in there, a good touch of black pepper, in with the juice of tangerine. Give that a mix. Now slowly mix in the olive oil and emulsify everything. And here you have our amazing dressing that can be served with salads or even vegetables. Have a little taste. Perfect. Some fresh tangerine. Amazing. Some of these toasted pecans. Season the vegetable with a touch of black pepper. And we're gonna serve it with our tangerine mustard dressing. That looks so delicious. For our gravy, turn up the heat around medium-low. Here with the butter. Here with the plain flour. Give that a mix and cook the rawness of the roux. This should take you around 2 minutes. You will know it's cooked once the flour has changed color. Now slowly mix in the stock, use a good quality one. Also mix in the leftover juices from the chicken. A really good mix to that. Now you want to season with a touch of salt and pepper. A really good mix to that and let it simmer for a few minutes. Now turn off the heat. Our delicious gravy. Done. Have a little taste. So delicious. Alright guys, our amazing chips are done. Let's have a little taste. These are perfectly cooked. Our rotisserie chicken has been beautifully cooked. Let this rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then you can serve it. Alright guys, let's remove the chicken from the skewer and let's plate this up. The chicken looks so delicious. Can't wait to taste it. This is one of the best air fried chicken that you're gonna try. Alright guys, let's plate this over with your chicken, our amazing chips, mouth-watering vegetables, and finally our delicious gravy. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Let's try some of those chips with the gravy. Bismillah. The chips are so delicious. Let's try some of these blanched vegetables with our dressing. The vegetables are so fresh, the tangerine really had a nice tanginess to it. Alright, let's try the star of this dish. Our amazing chicken. Bismillah. That is one of the best tasting rotisserie chicken I've ever tried. It is so delicious. The chicken has been perfectly cooked. It's so nice and juicy. The amazing flavor from the gravy. Wow. What an amazing dish that was. The beautiful flavors from the thyme, the lemon, all the spices. It was so good. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. You know, it takes a second to like this video and a second to subscribe. So please make sure you do that. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.